How to add another Gmail account in Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail and then click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on add another account. And here you will be able to choose which platform you are using, say for example Google. And now you will be able to enter your email address right here, and then after that your password, and after that your Gmail account will be added. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a Gmail account in Android. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.